Go 2390, removing stars from a string. In this question, we use two pointers to solve this problem. The first pointer I is used to iterate through the entire string. The second pointer J is used to keep track of the position of the latest non-star character being cancelled out. There are two scenarios. When we iterate through the string, the character can be star or non-star. For character that is non-star, we first assign the value at position I to value at position j, because if j denote the position where the character was cancelled out. In the case there was no character being cancelled, the I and j will be aligned at the same position, so this assignment will make no difference to the result. After the assignment, we increment j by 1, so j move rightward by 1. In the for loop, I keeps moving rightward to iterate the whole string. Again, this case is the same. It is a non-star character, so we first do the assignment, but I and j is aligned, so it doesn't change anything, and we move j forward by 1. And for the for loop, I keeps moving rightward. Here is the same case. We just skip until here. In this case, the character at I is star, meaning that the the nearest character that is on the left of the star will be cancelled out, meaning that the T will be cancelled out. So these two characters were annihilated, and we denote them by the cross sign. So here we need to keep track of the latest character being cancelled out. So we need to move J backward at here to record this position. Again, if it equals to if the value at I equals to star, then these two will be cancelled out. Alright, so we denote them by the cross, and we move J backward to keep track of the latest character being cancelled out here. The next time when the value at I is not equal to star, we assign the value of I to the value of j. Remember that the value of j in the last iteration was cross, meaning insinuating that it was cancelled out. So by the assignment, we will concatenate. We virtually concatenate LE with the COD here. Alright, so keep this maneuver with just updating C to this to the cross, so this becomes C, and O to this cross, so this becomes O, and similarly COD will also be moved to the first. Initially, these three were cancelled out. Okay. Then again, when there's a star, we need to cancel out D. Alright, so we need to remember that why we don't cancel out the D here, because we already moved the COD in the previous 3 iteration to here, so we can just move J backward to record D being cancelled out. Okay, so these two was cancelled out. Oh, right. And again, when I arrived at the end, we just do the assignment and keep moving J and move J rightward by 1 step. So at last, we only need to return the prefix of length J. So let's implement it. So first, we declare the J index, and for I is the index we use to iterate the string. We do the following. There are two possibilities, two scenarios. Si, if Si is a star character, what will we do? We need to cancel out. Cancel out. What do we mean cancel out? So we need to move J backward to record the position at which a non-star the latest non-star character is being cancelled out. Else, if the character is not a star, then we will do the assignment here. Just copy and paste. Mind the syntax. Be careful of J++. After the iteration, we return the suffix of length J, and we try to submit our solution. Okay. All right. Here it is S, not str. All right.